All right, now the video today, it's Friday, January 22nd. Let's take a look at 4 stocks. Let's check it out. CHS, Chico Vas. Now, this isn't necessarily a low float, lower price stock. 100 million, 111 million float, 261 million market cap. Look at the revenue, 1.46 billion assets, 13.9 billion. Insiders don't own much, 7%. Institutions do, though, 77%. A lot of debt. To worth enterprise value, 972 million. Engages retail, women's private, branded, sophisticated, casual, dressy apparel. Let me see. Operates boutique retail stores, websites. It was founded by Helen B. Grenlick and Marvin L. Grelnick. 1983, headquartered in Fort Myers, Florida. 1.1 million buys, 287,000 sells. So, they're invested in this. Insiders, not insiders, the institutions, and the insiders have been buying. Minus 285 million income, sales 1.46 billion on FinViz, 111 million float they have. Not much news in this. That January and December, nothing much recently. Focusing on women 45 and older. Has stores, 1,341 stores in the United States, Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, Canada, 70 international franchise locations, Mexico, 2 domestic airport locations. And they have websites, looks like Chicos.com, ChicosOffTheRack.com, WHBM.com, Soma.com, and MyTelltale.com. So this isn't a small company. It's pretty big. Wow, look at this stock. They've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 splits. This has been around. A little twinkle here is 1993, 49 cents, and this went to 45 plus. Imagine if you held this 45 cents and get to 2005. I have a million in the bank. So this is a huge pyramid. Look at this front side. Then it went exactly downside, 2009, like completely up and down. You notice here, it looks like we bottomed again. As you can see, the weekly here. See this? We're almost, well, we didn't get quite to the low, but, pretty far below. So, from the peak, this kept going down, down. This is a 20 plus, keeps gapping down to where we are right now. The March crash. This got just below 1. You bounced up in June. So this looks like it follows the market. You can tell by the pattern here. October 1, we're at the 225. It's been on a great run. It filled this gap right here. Touch, pull back, 250. So we want to reclaim 250. And then we're looking at, see, it's a big level here. See, it's back in September too of 2019. So if we reclaim 250, then you're getting up towards eventually maybe this 450 level or just below, 4 plus. So it's looking good in an uptrend. You want these bounces, these lows, see this low going higher, going higher. You want this $2 to 190 to hold. Each time it's like, they call it a snake going up and down, up and down. And you want this to hold right here for a nice pullback. So this is on a good run. We'll see if this continues. ABUS, ABUS, Biopharma, 62 million float, market cap 344 million. Good cash. Insiders 27%, institutions 26%. Not much debt, 23 million. So this has good potential here. Engages in discovering, developing, and commercializing a cure for patients suffering from chronic hepatitis B infection. It's founded 2007, headquartered in Warminster, PA. I'm right up the that's about 20 miles away from me. I should go visit this. I should go visit their company and take a look around. Oh, do you have a tour of your facilities? Yeah, it'll be funny too. I could go inside and yeah, I'm interested investor in your company. They'll give me all the inside details. All right, let's take a look at FinViz. minus 83 million income, sales 6 million, 63 million float. Wainwright initiated a buy December at $10. No news recently on this at all. Nothing really going on. Let's see. Development, commercialization of cure for patients suffering from chronic hepatitis B. Pipeline is a AB 836, AB 423, AB 729, phase 1, a phase B, and something else. What else does it say here? It has strategic alliance licensing and research collaboration agreements with Marquibo, Gritstone Oncology, Acutus Therapeutics. So, this is a lot going on too. Monthly, this is 2010. We were about 4 range, bounced down, and really took off 13 and 14. Look at these big wicks. It looks like a top 26. It had like triple top, and this came crashing down in 16. Found a new little high, then bounced back down. So this has been back and forth. You can see in the weekly here. In the weekly here, you can definitely draw this 12 line. That's a huge roadblock for this stock longer term. So that's going to be up there. And then back and forth. Let's see, where's this low here? Look at this double bottom, 1, 2. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily, folks. So, my 12 line's all messed up. Get right on 12. There you go. So here, came down, big drop for, collapse 2019. Look at right here. So you have a 1 level, bounce 2020 and bounced again. Draw a circle right here. 1, 2, that's a double bottom. And we exploded from the 1 zone. So that's extremely important. There's a reason why these things are called triple tops, double bottoms, flags, because that's what they are. That's the meaning of it. When you go here and you see this hold, double bottom, and then we break back up, and it did May, June, July. Now, July just had a huge run up to 9. Look at this. And then we formed a wedge here. You can take that out now. So it formed a very tight wedge. And then we broke up to 3. And the low's getting higher. See, that's the main thing of this this chart right now, the main theme. See how we're getting higher? And let me see, going back. Anything here? So you can go back to this 5 line. It's very big. See, when we crashed in 2018, big cluster here, big cluster in July, and the low's getting higher. The all-important low, that is very important. When you see that getting higher, that's a telltale sign this stock wants to go back up. They have a lot in the pipeline. It bottomed. You've had many spikes, so I like this. I like the way this is moving. Recently spiked. So keep that on radar. It looks like, we could get something good with this. All right, XERS, XERS Pharmaceuticals, float 47 million, market cap 260 million, good cash 141 million. Insiders don't own this. Institutions do, 53%. Has a lot of debt. All right, they are a pharmaceutical company, develops and commercializes ready-to-use liquid stable injectables. Aerosol, Aerojet Technologies, Gvoke prefilled syringe, Gvoke HypoPen. Company was founded by Stephen Petrozelski, John Kinzel, 2005, headquarters in Chicago, Illinois. 494,000 buys to very little sells. It's very good. All right, so minus 102 million income, sales 15 million, 44 million float on FinBiz. January 15th, 5 low price small cap stocks poised for big gains 2021. That was the street.com. Nothing really since then. So anything else? They have phase 2. Just trying to read the phase 2. Phase 2 for type 1 diabetes. What else does it say here? Hormonal. Dravet syndrome, it helps with epilepsy. Okay, they have all kinds of stuff here, so they're not just like one drug. This was 2018. We came out 16, got all the way to 26. Then we formed another wedge. Look at the wedge. You're having dreams of the wedge in your sleep. The falling wedge. See that? Wide. Too tight. See, there's a move up here people like when they bought it up here. Yes, we got a great, bio stock, and then it comes all the way down. So this went below 2 to about, 150 bounce. The low's getting higher each time. So if you draw a line like this, what do you see here? Sending triangle. And this wants to break. It looks like the 6 level. The 6 level is huge on this. Did get a little above it before. See this right here? Bounced. April, May, then August. Yeah, many times it's touched. And what you see here also is this low here. It looks like 150. So back and forth. Now we have a range. See, I call it the ultimate range, your high and low, where we're at right now, but this is the ultimate low in March. We bounce. See this low? Each time we're getting higher. So you can go line to line, draw a line this way, but I'm going to draw a line this way in this one because you can see where this is going, where this has been. See this? You're snaking up like the ascending triangle. Go this way, the low higher, higher, higher. This looks like it'll break 6. Any dip buys should be bought right now, it looks like. This 450 line's huge. We break above 6, you got 7, and then 7 to 8 looks like a big cluster. So this is stuff in the pipeline too. It's not just a one drug. It looks like it's very good. All right, let's go to XPL. All right, this is Solitario Zinc Corp, 48 million float. Short throat is down at 26%, 46 million market cap, 16% insider zone, institution 6%. No debt really, 87,000. It's a mineral exploration company, focuses on acquisition of precious and base metal properties. Includes Florida Canyon in Peru, Lick Zinc, Alaska, and La Promesa in Peru. It's founded November 15th, 1984, headquartered in Wheat Ridge, Colorado. 59,000 buys, insiders. All right, let's see here. Now, anytime you have mining and stuff, you have to be careful because a mine could collapse. There's jurisdiction in different countries, so it's tough to own them longer term. Let's take a look at it, see what this is doing. 2006. You have like 3, just went to 6 and came all the way down. I don't see any splits. It's in a downtrend. And what you see here again is this 25 line is big on this. This could be, they said minerals and mining, it's like bottom. It could be true. See this? Draw this line all the way down. Or try to make it tight from these lines. It's really trying to come out now. Look at this heavy volume down here. So the weekly, you see these big spikes. Down and down we go. And this bottom, you can see 25 cents. It put in tails at like 15 cents. Imagine you bought this in this tail. These people got to be super sharp if you're looking. I don't know. There's so many stocks to look at, but if they're looking at this one is low as 13 cents and it's 80 cents. Wasn't going bankrupt. And, here we are. All right, some lines on this. Let's see what we got here. Trying to connect these lines. 90-cent line looks pretty big here. This is just before that one line. See this back and forth. You have 1, 2, 3 touches. There's a touch here. If it breaks 90, you got the $1 move. So 1 anywhere to just 150, maybe 175 plus. see it back and forth. Now we're rounding. And you want this stop to not go below 50 cents here. And then, yeah, your quarter would be a bad move if it goes there. So big move today in this. 15 million in volume. It's in an uptrend. So we'll see what it does from here. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube and hit the like button. Smash that like button. Helps the algos. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank98. TikTok, Mike Frank II. And Twitter, Mike Frank 007. Here's a trade ideas referral. If you hit the link, I think you can check out trade ideas. I get a lot of my information from there. All right, that's it, guys. Peace.